Are you a food producer looking to get nutrition facts labels on your products? Look no further. Here's a simple guide on how to do it. Number 1. Gather necessary information. The first step in creating a nutrition facts label is to gather all the necessary information about your product. This includes details such as the serving size, calories per serving, and the amounts of various nutrients like fat, cholesterol, sodium, carbohydrates, fiber, sugars, and protein. Additionally, you'll need a comprehensive list of ingredients used in your product. Number 2. Utilize online tools or software. Once you have gathered the required information, you can use online tools or specialized software to create a nutrition facts label that meets the FDA requirements. These tools often provide templates that you can customize with your product's specific information. Ensure that you include all mandatory information, such as serving size, calories, and the percentage of the daily value for each nutrient. Number 3. Design and print the label. With your nutrition facts label finalized, it's time to design and print it. Ensure that the label is clear, legible, and easy to read for consumers. Consider factors such as font size, color contrast, and layout to enhance readability. Once printed, affix the label securely to your product packaging in a prominent location where consumers can easily see it. Number 4. Keep labels updated. It's essential to keep your nutrition facts labels updated if there are any changes to your product's ingredients or nutritional information. Regularly review and revise your labels to ensure accuracy and compliance with FDA regulations. Failure to update labels promptly can lead to confusion among consumers and potential legal issues. Number 5. Ensure compliance and consumer information. By following these steps, you can ensure that your products are compliant with FDA regulations and provide consumers with the information they need to make informed choices. Nutrition facts labels play a vital role in helping consumers understand the nutritional content of the foods they purchase, contributing to a healthier lifestyle overall. By following these steps and utilizing online tools or software, you can effectively provide consumers with accurate and informative labels that comply with FDA requirements. Remember to keep your labels updated and accessible to ensure transparency and consumer trust. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides on food production and labeling.